we are at my clinic down in Tijuana, Mexico. I'm here with
Angie Mohr.
Okay, now Angie, where did you come from?
Canada.
Okay, that's north. It's almost our 51st state. Okay, so what brought you down, my dear?
Well, I started listening to your videos 9 years ago when my doctor told me that I had to go on heavy-duty meds for rheumatoid arthritis, methotrexate. And I said no, and she said, you have to. And I said, no, I don't. So I left, and I went home, and I got really determined on the computer. I searched and searched. I kept coming up with medical results. But finally, I found you, and everything you taught me, you saved my life. Before that, I couldn't even put my shoes on. My feet were so swelled up. I was a mess.
Okay, think of this. Okay, so the health authority figure is telling you that you have a condition, and when you ask him what caused rheumatoid, we just don't know. He's never going to say that he doesn't know.
Yeah.
Okay, and so you took charge of your health, and that's totally unusual. People don't do that.
Yeah.
Okay, now, and we're, right now, if you're confused about this, we're in an era, as I'll play this again in another couple hundred years, where you go with your body responded to a certain condition, like symptoms, and then you're given a chemical to alter those symptoms. Generally, chemicals or medications don't address the underlying cause.
Exactly.
Okay, like they never do. I know, I'm not really politically correct. Okay. I mean, so what brought you this independence? Because somebody gives you a lifetime diagnosis that says you have this and you're going to be screwed the rest of your life, and you say, I ain't buying that.
Because when I was 45, my medical doctor told me, I said, I'm sore everywhere. Today I'm sore here, and tomorrow I'm here, and it moves around my body. And she said, well, your bones are getting old. And I said, I'm 45 years old. That's not the right answer. So when she told me that, I've always leaned sort of towards natural, but then I got away from it for a while. And when my mother had heart disease, so-called, I knew it was wrong, and I did all the research online, but for some reason it didn't click in that I could do the same thing for my body, because I was thinking of heart, organ, I don't know. It just didn't click until I was told I had to do all these pills, and I know about methotrexate. It's a chemo drug.
It is.
I'm not doing that, so I just got really determined, and then I studied your videos. I didn't just watch them. I have a stack of notebooks like this. I wrote notes. I educated myself. And then when I joined the Natural Health Library group, Terry Chamberlain founded that group, and he saw everything I was typing, like answering to people when they'd say, what do I do about this? I'd say, oh, I know this and this, and Dr. Bergman said this and that. And after a while, actually, the day before my birthday, I thought, I wish Terry would ask me to be an administrator in this group. I love this group because he's all natural. And the next day, he got a hold of me and said, would you be my administrator? And I said, yeah, I will. So the group just grew and grew. And then it was 10,000 people. Now it's about 360,000 people. And I'm always posting your videos, and I quote you all the time. And
Think of this. I mean, a group of people in the most sick society in the world, okay, an American medical system, taking charge of their health. Okay, that's cool. Okay, I'm just getting information. This takes courage. Okay, now I know you're going to be down here for a few weeks. We're going to be kicking butt on some stuff, and I mean, join groups like hers. Okay, find somebody, because if the doctor giving you a label and he doesn't know what causes the rheumatoid arthritis or fibromyalgia or high blood pressure or elevations in cholesterol, if they're looking at any of that as problems, that's called BDS. I mean, bad doctor syndrome. Okay. Because it is. Your body is self-healing and self-regulating. You were built for the world. Okay, so what can you tell anybody that's been labeled with something funky?
Don't believe believe what medical doctors say. When I went online at first, I was getting medical results, and it was saying that people with this condition, rheumatoid arthritis, would die 14 to 16 years younger than normal. And it didn't scare me. It made me angry and more determined. So I just kept looking and changing my search words. So listen to Dr. Bergman's videos, especially, well, for anything, but heart disease or thyroid or anything like that. And there's others too, like Justin. Extreme Health. He's in my group too, and so are you. You're in my group.
He's totally cool. Oh, bitch.
I don't know how you got in there, but you're in my group.
Also too, can I tell them about falling and breaking?
Yes.
Okay. I got to tell you, she is definitely related to me. Okay, 1982, I fell off a 3-story building, shattering my right kneecap, and you shattered your left kneecap.
Shattered?
Well, okay, broke it. It's only in 3 parts. Okay, I know it's supposed to be 1.
Yeah.
Okay, mine was broken in 4.
Okay.
Yeah, so we are related. But the cool thing with this is the kneecap, in any bone. You break that sucker 4 to 6 weeks later, it's brand new. But that's also where we're sitting down during the interview.
Can I tell you something else?
Yeah.
When, about 7 years ago, I told my partner in the group, I'm going to meet Dr. Bergman. And I had this in mind. But then when I found out you had the Mexican clinic, I thought, I'm definitely going to that. It's just a matter of time, and I will make it there. So here I am.
Yeah, my wife's the same way. Anything she says happens. I know. You got the same way. You got this like power. Okay. I mean, and you didn't have any trouble coming down from Canada or anywhere else?
Oh, it was scary. I came by myself, and it was kind of scary, but I just did it because I wanted to be here that bad.
Please take charge of your health. Know that your body gives symptoms for a reason, and 4 to 6 weeks later, you got a brand new kneecap.
I hope so. I'm stuck here longer than I thought. But maybe not stuck. It's the people here at this clinic are amazing, especially since I fell. The second day I was here, I fell on the pavement, but I'm going to have a simple surgery or overnight, and I'll be home the next day. But is it Violet? She that works here. She offered to come to the hospital with me, and doesn't want to charge me anything. And they've given me a wheelchair. They've given me a walker. They come and get me from my room. They go shopping for my food, and then she knows a nurse that's going to look after me when I get back. And the hotel, the Grand Hotel where this is really good because now they're going to give me a handicap room with no extra charge, just so I can heal in there and I'll get around easier. Don't mind my hair, but that's why I look like this, because my knee, I've had a hard time with my knee for a couple days, but it's getting good. It's going to get better.
The cool thing, okay, because I've got clinics in different countries. In America, you say good morning to your coworkers. Down here, if you don't hug them, and in my clinic in Bangkok, if you don't hug your colleagues, it's like disrespectful. It's like, how do you start the day? I know. It's just the general caring and love where it's cool. Yeah, and it wasn't the fall; it was the landing.
It sure was.
Okay, do you have anything else to add? But you're right. I mean, only through crisis can we see, what's really going on, and you get a chance to experience the love.
The information's out there. Whether you come to the Natural Health Library, Terry has a huge library full of information, and listen to Dr. Bergman. There's all kinds of other doctors, really good doctors on YouTube as well, and they all have, well, not all, but a lot of them have really good information, and just learn that your body does everything for a reason, that you don't have high blood pressure, that your body's responding to the environment, right?
100%.
Yeah. So you change the environment.
Thank you, my dear. You're changing lives. Take care of yourselves, and no matter what happens, know that the world was built for you and you were built for the world. So you are adapting correctly. We just got to find the stressors and then correct them.
Come down to Tijuana and see Dr. Bergman. You'll love it.
It is fun. God bless you. Take care.